Good morning, this is Dave Reibel over at Top Security Locksmiths. We're out here at my store in Point Pleasant, New Jersey. Customer just drove up from Maryland to get a key, a remote key for his 1998 Mercedes-Benz SL500. All he had was a transpondered key without a remote. He came up, we cut him and programmed 2 remote flip keys for his vehicle. Let's test the function. Hit the unlock button, car unlocks. Locks again. Let's see if she starts. Top Security Locksmiths, 732-899-1414. New Jersey State licensed, bonded, and insured. Have a safe and secure holiday weekend and enjoy the 4th of July.